Did you say side quest? I'll take you on a side quest. Ay, may aso! Slave.
Shut the fuck up!
Shut up!
Do you see that? Do you see that?
Gagi mo ka midsummer. As you can see, we're driving through a bridge and look at that nature. God. Oh my God. No hands. Guys, kayo nyo yan. Look, ma. No hands. Oh, tingnan nyo. I am letting God. Jesus, take the wheel. Like a frog. Tingnan nyo. See, it's going. I'm shut. Jesus, take the wheel. See, it's going forward. Go. Grabing side quest talaga to. Grabe.
Sisterhood is about showing each other our journals. This is my journal. Oh, such a cute journal!
Because I love
this
black.
This is my journal.
Sa pagtansya ko, maybe a little more, like one more cup. Love the nails too. Yeah, just a little bit. That's the whole thing. Yo, we got to smoke some weed. Katol. Kasi. Masasaktan ka.
Kailangan mag-iganon for the...
This is our drug of choice. Choice of drug. Drug of choice? Wait, ano ba? Choice of drug? Drug of choice.
Are you okay?
Ito na talaga. Manifested this. How are you feeling right now? I'm moonbathing. I'm so mysterious. Oh my god. How does it feel to be a mysterious girl? It feels magnetic. Charismatic. Enigmatic. Epileptic. Are you ovulating right now?
Yeah. Are you ovulating right now? Hell